So here we can see the photodiode is receiving about 0.34 volts. Down there, Eric has the laser turned on. Eric is going to point the laser at the photodiode, and we'll see the laser here, and we can see the voltage starting to hop when he actually hits it.
You can see here our target is labeled with 8 millimeters and 1.3 millimeters as per the requirements, and the laser is set up approximately 2 meters away over here with Noah, and Noah's going to pulse the laser to verify the smaller 1.3 millimeter requirement, and you want to adjust the focus?
Yep.
Okay. So as he pulls out the outer tube, the spot size of the radius clearly becomes much larger than 8 millimeters, which verifies the spot size requirement. And yeah.
Here we can see that the laser is pointed directly at the photodiode, and the voltage reading from it is 3.34 volts.
So pictured here is the friendly interrogator unit, and the white tube is essentially a 5 milliwatt laser transmitter inside of this tube with a concave and convex lens in order to get the adjustable focus on there. So that's hooked up to a MSP430, which is pictured here, and the MSP430 is triggering interrupts every 5.046 kHz, and the MSP430 is powered by our 6-volt battery source, which is put through a 3.3 voltage regulator and output essentially to the external power. And this laser transmitter is sent through optical transmission to our photo receivers, which is pictured on the oscilloscope here. If I pause it, it shows the signal that's being sent. It's currently sending a unique ID of 128 with an identifier of alternating ones and zeros. And the photodiode is set up here, which is hooked up to a MSP430 again. And that MSP430 is using a 14-bit ADC to convert the value from analog to digital, which is also the photodiode is sent through an op-amp, which is on the breadboard over here, and basically the software on the MSP430 is set up to count the number of missed packets, and as you can see, our missed packets variable right here comes in as 85, which shows us that we have a total out of 1,000 packets being sent, only 85 are missed, and that gives us the requirement of over 85% missed packet, or 85% received packets.